What if you could go from a single sentence to a finished, good-looking presentation in about a minute without touching a single slide? No fiddling with layouts, no hunting for images, no late-night formatting. That's exactly what Gamma does, and it's free to start. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire workflow, from a blank prompt to a polished deck you can present, publish as a website, or export. Let's build one from scratch. Step 1. Getting started, and Gamma gives you 3 doors in. The fastest. Click Generate, choose Presentation, and type a single line, something like a beginner's guide to personal budgeting, 10 cards. That's it. Already have rough notes? Choose Paste in Text, drop your outline or messy bullet points, and Gamma turns them into clean structure. Or pick Import and bring an existing document, a PDF or a Google Doc, and it rebuilds the whole thing as slides. So whether you're starting from nothing or from a wall of text you wrote at midnight, there's a path in. Pick the one that matches what you already have. Step 2. Before it builds, you get a quick setup screen, and this is where most people rush and shouldn't. First, choose what you're making, a presentation, a document, or even a full website. Same engine, different output. Tell it how many cards or slides you want, so it doesn't ramble on for 30 pages. Then pick a theme. That's the fonts, colors, and layout style, and you can preview them live. There's also a small prompt box to steer the tone. Say, keep it professional and concise, or make it fun and playful for students. 30 seconds of setup here is what separates a generic deck from one that actually looks like you meant it. Step 3. The magic. Click Generate, and Gamma writes the outline, fills in the content, designs every card, and drops in matching images and icons, completely on its own. You literally watch a finished presentation assemble itself in about a minute. What would have taken you a whole evening in PowerPoint, wrestling with text boxes and alignment, is done before your coffee gets cold. And because every card uses smart, flexible layouts, nothing looks squished or broken like a bad template. This is the moment most people realize they've been making slides the hard way their entire lives. Step 4. Make it yours. You won't love every single line, and that's fine because editing is just as fast. Highlight any card and use the AI agent. Type, shorten this, or add a comparison table, or make this slide funnier, and it rewrites just that part for you. Want a totally different look? Change the theme once, and the entire deck restyles instantly. No redoing 40 slides by hand. And if you prefer being hands-on, you can drag blocks around, swap images, and edit the text directly, just like a normal editor. The trick is simple. Generate fast, then polish only the few bits that actually matter. Step 5. Getting out into the world. Hit Present, and it runs full screen right in your browser. Nothing to install. Even better, you can publish the whole thing as a live web page and just send someone a link, which is perfect for a portfolio or a pitch. Need a file instead? Export to PDF or to PowerPoint if your school or office insists on it. 2 honest notes about the free plan. You start with 400 AI credits, plenty for your first batch of decks, and free exports carry a small, made with Gamma badge, which a paid plan removes. For most people, the free plan is more than enough to start today. So here's your challenge. Think of one presentation you've been dreading, a class project, a work update, anything at all, and let Gamma draft it tonight from a single sentence. You'll be shocked how far it gets you in about a minute. If this saved you some time, subscribe. Every week I break down a free AI tool that does your busy work for you. Next up, I'm building an entire website in one prompt with another free tool. See you in that one.